Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Facebook on your Mac using a simple workaround. Since there's no official Mac OS app, we'll turn Facebook into a web app that works just like the real thing. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari. You can do that by clicking the Safari icon in your dock or by using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to facebook.com. Now, in the top menu bar, click File, then choose Add to Dock. A small window will appear where you can rename the shortcut if you want. I'll leave it as Facebook. Click Add, and just like that, the Facebook icon will appear in your dock. Here's the best part. When you open Facebook from your dock, it launches in its own separate window, just like a native app. Even if you close Safari, Facebook keeps running on its own. Let me show you. I'll quit Safari, and as you can see, Facebook is still open and fully functional. If you're using an older version of macOS and don't see the Add to Dock option, don't worry. I've added a link in the description to an alternative method that works just as well. And that's it. You now have Facebook installed on your Mac as a standalone app. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.